Myth number 1, sea salt is natural, so it's better for you than table salt. The fact is that whether it's sea salt, kosher salt, gourmet salt, etc., they all have about the same amount of sodium as does table salt. So whatever type you choose, just be mindful of the amount. Myth number 2, the best way to stop or to limit your sodium intake is to stop using the salt shaker. While 11% of the sodium that we consume comes from that added in cooking and used at the table, over 75% comes from processed, prepared foods, packaged, and restaurant meals. The remainder of the sodium we get occurs naturally in food, so try to make more meals at home. And myth number 3, label reading is difficult. It's not, if you follow 3 simple steps. 1, check the serving size and compare it to what you actually eat. So for example, if you're looking at sliced bread and the serving size is for 1 slice of bread and you're going to eat 2 slices of bread, you have to double all the numbers. Step number 2, read the percent daily value or percent DV. So when you're, as a good rule of thumb, when you see 5% or less DV, that means there's a little of a nutrient, and when you see 15% or more of the nutrient, that means a lot of that nutrient. So for example, when you look at putting it all together in step number 3, if you're looking for a high fiber cereal, choose a high fiber cereal that has 15% DV of fiber or more, and maybe you want that cereal to also be low in saturated fat and trans fats, so that should be less than 5% or less.